Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Sony WH-H900N Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure your headphones have enough power. Then, find the power button on the left ear cup. Press and hold it for about 2 seconds until the indicator light illuminates, signaling they are powered on and ready to begin the pairing process. Now, let's get your headphones into pairing mode. With the headphones already powered on, press and hold the power button once more for approximately 7 seconds. You'll notice the blue indicator light begins to flash rapidly and repeatedly. This specific flashing pattern confirms your headphones are actively in pairing mode and ready to be discovered. Next, grab the device you want to connect your headphones to. Navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on so your device can scan for nearby connections. You should see WH-H900N appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap on it to initiate the connection. Once connected, you'll hear a clear voice prompt in your headphones saying, "Bluetooth connected." The blue indicator light on your headphones will also change its pattern, flashing slowly to confirm a successful pairing. You are now all set to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or calls wirelessly through your Sony WH-H900N headphones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.